Hi, what are you drawing again?
I draw the mansion.
You're drawing the mansion, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain to me what is there in your mansion? All the things that you have in details.
Okay. We have these doors open automatically.
The doors open automatically.
Yeah, and some clouds and some snow. And the sun is coming to get out the snow. And there is here a bridge with some water,
What do you have on the bridge out there?
a road.
Oh, okay. What's there on the road?
And there is here a McLaren. It's means a fast car, like it costs $2,000 million.
McLaren. That's called McLaren. McLaren car.
No, McLaren.
Yeah, McLaren.
Yeah, there's one name is McLaren, or if we say Ford McLaren, does give it to McLaren.
Okay. All right. What about that? The others?
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon.
Yeah.
Okay. What else do you have there on the bridge?
And bus and normal cars.
Normal cars. Okay. Okay. What's there behind the bridge?
A mansion.
All right. What do you have in your mansion? Okay. Can you explain to me?
Security guards.
Security guards. Where are they?
Here's the one. Here's
Okay.
another one. There's another one. Do another one here.
Okay.
Protecting the pool.
What's their job?
Protecting the mansion.
Protecting the mansion. Great. Okay.
I know this one. He hold a knife.
Oh, knife.
No, it's a sword.
Sword.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What else do you have there?
I have a pool in here.
What is it? What is it?
A pool.
Swimming pool.
Yeah, and these are diving boards.
Diving boards.
Yeah, you
Good.
do like this. Like you. I am here in the diving board, and I jump to the pool.
Oh, you jump into the pool. Okay.
Yeah,
And
and this is a garage going down. Going down. There are a lot of parking spots.
all right. Okay. So let's get it. Great. Go back. Yeah. No, to the mansion. Great. Explain to me what's there. Yeah. What do you have out there,
We have
Grace?
some great windows.
Oh, okay.
We have all these are glass doors.
Glass doors.
Yeah, they
Okay.
open automatically.
Automatically. All right. Okay. What is the inside, Grace? Here.
Inside here. It's nothing. Just forgot to do some windows.
All right. This is a window. How about these things here, over here?
This is a YouTuber computer.
YouTuber.
Yeah, it's a free PCs.
3 screens.
Yeah.
Okay. Monitors. Great.
Yeah.
And about what this little thing here?
It's a bed, and this is another bed.
Okay. All right. What do you have over
The top.
at the top? Yes.
We watching Get Hot.
Oh, great. Good. And what is that thing over there? Is it a person?
It's the security guard
Security guard. Great.
with a rocket launcher.
With a rocket launcher. Great.
Yeah, rocket
Okay.
launcher is good. When blue versus red, I buy it for $95,000, and it kills everyone in one hit.
My God, Grace, that's so bad and horrible. All right, well, I hope it will kill bad and evil people, Grace, not the good ones, of course. Okay, what about the things that you have over here?
We have
Okay,
the snow getting out, and this is
Snow.
another guard holding a sniper.
sniper, great,
Yeah,
good.
sniper, you can see him well.
All right, good. Oh, nice.
Mm.
That's it, great. Okay, sounds very
This
big
is-
mansion.
This is a kitchen.
Kitchen.
This is a cooker. It cooks for everybody.
Oh, cooker, great, good. Nice. Oh, what does this mansion belong to?
Don't know. It's like when I be rich.
Oh, for you, great.
For everybody.
Okay, so is it your dream mansion?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. That sounds a big one, right? You're the only one who is living here, right? Lives alone,
No.
just
we
with security guards and.
live- Yeah, but I can stop the security. The security. When I stop it, the guards stop shooting someone when he comes near the base.
Oh, and it's coming near the base. But this is not a military base again. It's not a military base. This is a mansion.
Yeah.
Nice, very good. Okay, so are you going to go? You see that there is some sort of water here, or maybe river?
Yes.
Okay. Are you going fishing here, Grace, for instance?
Yeah, we can go fishing some fish.
Oh, great. Okay. That's really interesting. Thank you very much for sharing this amazing mansion.
This
What is that?
one is very hungry to have even sharks.
Oh, sharks on the river, Grace.
Yeah, so we need to be careful.
All right. But what I know is that sharks live in in oceans, Grace, not in small rivers, Grace. Okay. Anyway, thank you very much for sharing this
Yeah,
great
we
mansion.
have to be careful when we be fishing. We can even grab a shark in Minecraft.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
In
you.
Minecraft, we can fish somebody and do it on their head with the fishing rod and push him somewhere.
All right. That sounds funny, great. All right. Okay, that's it for tonight. Thank you very much for sharing your drawing, okay?